What's up guys, it's Rihanna Shine, and today I'm going to be showing you DIY snacks, winter snacks, or Christmas snacks. So I'm going to be showing you DIY snacks, DIY drinks, and decor. And this is going to be a part of the decor. So stay tuned if you want to know how I did this and what else is in store for you. So let's go. What you're gonna need is pretzels, and after you do that, you're gonna need chocolate, no matter what kind. Then you're gonna melt your chocolate. Then you're gonna dip your pretzels in your chocolate. You're gonna put that. After you do that, you're gonna put your pretzels on a clear bowl, not a bowl, but a plate, and then freeze them. Next, we're making almond bark, and what you're gonna need is a clear bowl, some more chocolate, and whatever kind of toppings you like. And you're gonna follow the same steps you did with the chocolate pretzels. You're gonna put them and you're gonna melt your chocolate. Then you're gonna pour it onto, except for this time you're gonna pour it onto a plate with saran wrap on it, or whatever, or wax paper. And then you're gonna put your topping on. And after you put your topping on, you're gonna freeze it. And after that, you're gonna have to keep it in the freezer, or else it'll melt and you won't have a bark anymore. So next we have drinks, and for this first drink, which is iced hot chocolate, you're gonna need milk, ice, and a hot chocolate packet. You're gonna need 1 cup of milk, 1 hot chocolate or 2 hot chocolate packets, and 4 pieces of ice. And I'd like to thank another YouTuber named Hey It's Ariana for this idea. So thank you. The next drink I'll be showing you is a shamrock shake. So what you're going to need is 2 cups of ice cream, 1 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoons of peppermint extract, and green food coloring. And you're going to blend both these drinks, I forgot to say. Well, you saw my blender, but still. You're going to blend both these drinks. And last but not least, I'm showing you decor. So what I'm showing you first is ornaments. What you're going to need is clear ornaments. You're going to need paint. So then you're going to pour your paint in your ornament. You're going to move it around till your whole ornament is covered in it. Then you're going to put it in a cup so that the paint, the extra paint that you have falls out. And you're going to do this with both ornaments if you have 2 different sizes like I did. The last thing I'm going to be showing you is my setup, which is going to need stockings, a plaque, a Christmas plaque, a blanket, and Christmas lights that you can pick up anywhere. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, tell me in the comments below. And if you recreate any of the ideas I showed you in this video today, then send a picture to me on Instagram or Twitter at Rihanna_Shine. So, bye guys. Hold up, we gotta do my signature outro. Bye guys.
First you get that money, then you get that power. If he tune in, knows up, but he on that powder. Now you walk around with 50 in your trousers. Diamonds bullying on my chest, no fucking blouse. Bitch, I make it rain.